Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. The work completed by tomorrow morning. A will be B, is C, has. She waiting for you since 3 p.m. A has been B, had C, will. At this time yesterday, they football in the park. A were playing, B have played, C are playing. The letter already been sent before you arrived. A had B, has C, have. The new policy announced next week. A will be B, is being C, has. She must complete the assignment on time. A must be, may, C, can. You obey the traffic rules. A shall be, may see, might. We visit them tomorrow if we have time. A shall be, could see, might. They leave early to catch the train. A must be, could see, should. I call you when I arrive. A will be, may, see, can. This road is than the other one. A, narrower. B, narrowest. C, most narrow. Of all the runners, she is the A, fast. B, faster. C, fastest. He drives carefully than his brother. A, more. B, most. C, very. The soup tastes a delicious. B, deliciously. C, more deliciously. She spoke during the meeting. A, confidently. B, confident. C, confidence. Dash book is this on the table? A, whose. B, who. C, whom. Is this pen? A, your. B, yours, C, you. I don't like these shoes. I prefer over there. A, those B that see this. Dash is knocking at the door. A, who be? Whom, see? Whose? Dash of the two options do you prefer? A, which be, who, see, whose? She is honest. She is not always kind. A, but B and C, or I will come it rains or not. A, whether B, if C, since. He left early, he was feeling unwell. A, because B, but C, although. I like tea. I don't like coffee. A and B, but C, or we stayed at home. It was raining heavily. A, since B, although C, if. The boy won the prize is my cousin. A, who be, whose C, whom. This is the house my grandparents lived. A, where B, that C, which. The man to whom I spoke was very helpful. A, whom, B, who, C, whose. I don't know, she will agree. A, whether B, if C, that. The reason I called is to thank you. A, why B, which C, that. The report was submitted late, was incomplete. A, which, B, who, C, whose. She sings better, she dances. A, then B, then C, too. Please choose you like best. A, whichever, B, whoever, C, whomever. He is tall to reach the shelf. A, enough B. 2, C. Very. The teacher said, "You ready for the test?" A. RB is C. Was. Close the window. The room will get cold. A or B and C, but. We studying when the lights went out. A were B or C have. The parcel delivered yesterday. A was B is C has. She finished her work before the deadline. A had B, has C, will. By the end of this year, he working here for 10 years. A will have been B, has C, had. She was writing a letter when the phone rang. A was B is C has. The homework done by the students. A was B, where C are. The cake being decorated when I arrived. A was B is C were. He said that he would help me tomorrow. A would be, will see hay, shall. You not park your car here. A must be, shall see, will. We be happy to assist you. A shall be, must see, may. The children playing outside all afternoon. A have been, B has been, C had D. She has written a letter, she. A hasn't, B didn't, C won't. Let's go out. We. A shall be, will see, won't. Everyone must do it by themselves. Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.